morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmates. So my report is all about the types of circuits and electronics. Number one is a series circuit. So series circuit is a circuit in which resistors are arranged in a chain. So the current has only one path to take. The current is the same through each resistor. So sample is the when you have a light in your room, and if you have decided to make it series, then when you turn on the switch, all of the light will be turned on the turn on at the same time. The materials needed are wire, light bulb, screwdriver, switch, steptacle, and battery. So first is a current, second is a resistance, and the third is voltage. So first is current. So the amount of current must be the same or equal through any components. It is to avoid any short circuit of blowing of one bulb or any other materials. So dahil class, as I mentioned earlier, it is a series circuit. So if hindi equal ang current, ay magkakaroon ng pagsabog o short circuit. Second is resistance. So the total resistance of any series circuit is must be equal to the sum of the individual resistance. So kanis class is kailangan siya class is equal din siya class para para maakuan ang iya gani ang circuit gani class. Number 3 class is voltage. So the supply voltage in a series circuit is must be equal of the individual voltage drop and some reason to around any short circuit or damage in the series. So I will provide some graphic class so for the step making in this circuit. Number 2 class is a parallel circuit. So defined as one where all components are connected between the same set of electrically common points. Another way of saying this is that all components are connected across each other terminals. So I will show some picture for further information. So parallel circuit comprise branches so that the current divides and only part of it flows through any branch. The voltage or the amount of the electricity across each branch of a parallel circuit is the same, but the currents may vary. So iba ito sa series. Dito naman individualized and pag-transmit ng current sa light bulb. Materials needed are stopcock, bulb, switch, and wire. Here are the difference between the parallel circuit and series circuit. number 3 class is open circuit. So this current will only flow in a circuit that is around a continuous path or multiple paths. This circuit implies that the two terminal or points are externally disconnected. So the voltage sa open circuit is difference measure between two terminals when the current is drawn or supplied. Ito yung switch that is making contact from one connection terminal to the other. And for example is yung switch is breaking continuity. Open circuit, all often created by design, for instance, a simple lights switch opens and closes, and the circuit that connects a light to power sources. And when you build a circuit, it's a good idea to disconnect the battery or other power sources when the circuit is not in use. It's not used well that particular scenario. So it's an example of an open circuit. So flashlight, i-off niya ang flashlight, then yun ang example of the open circuit. Number 4 class is closed circuit. So a circuit without interruption providing current can flow or circulates. So when you have a series of electrical wire connecting to each other and completing a circuit, so that connect a travel from one an end of the circle to the other. Best example of closed circuit is when you have a video camera directly connected to a TV on the property that show image from the video camera, and that's an example of closed circuit. Then a direct connection of the current into a medium with a continuous path where it can or the current is flow and circulates without being interrupted. End of my reporting. So that's it, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.